The best product in the world. We found the man. The man is 78-year-old. Allow me, master.
Yeah, powerful.
What would you consider yourself? What should we call you? Healer?
Aye.
Healer.
Healer.
So your name is Healer.
Yeah, healer.
I know many get that name there.
Healer.
So we
People
call
call me doctor. I said no.
No.
You better you call me a little trying practitioner. Trying practitioner.
So we call you Healer.
Healer. I'm coming to you.
Yes, sir. So now many people talk to me about things, you know. The man said this is called never tired. Never tired. And this is the colon cleanser. So he recommends to me the colon cleanser first. We're in the Supreme Jamaica Good Life. So we're here to meet the man, 78 years old.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So look on him. This man is 78 years old. Do you have any condition, sick or any condition?
No.
Do you have any vision condition?
Well, I can read, but sometimes I need a glass to, you know what I mean? I have my books them. I read to people. For sometimes I share the knowledge.
You like books?
Yeah, man.
You have your iPad?
Yeah, man.
So you ready for drop the 2,000 book for you? Him ready?
You can I do reading. For you have great people who was on earth, you know, healer, you know, who passed away, but they leave it in
Books.
books.
Yes.
So
So you
if
read a
you're
lot to
interested
get your
in those
knowledge.
books, and if it's your calling
Yeah.
to carry on the work, then
Give us your first name and last name.
Javal.
And how did you start
You mean?
in the business of healing? Your grandmother,
Okay.
grandfather?
My mother. My mother was a little woman. When we out in the field and things rough, we come home and mommy will go and pick the bush and sing hymns and bath us, and we believe in that.
Where did she live?
Right in this little house here.
Really?
Really?
So our spirit still resides there.
You can say it.
Yes.
Quiet,
Uh-huh.
loving,
Yes.
sharing, caring,
Okay.
and that all of my things them actually give away.
Uh-huh.
Not sure what give away. All right, if 1 million people come, we give them something. Yeah, man. And I enjoy giving.
What month you want?
December, Sagittarius.
Okay, sir. So you are 78.
Yeah.
So now look on my big belly. You got flatten that.
Yeah, man, flatten that, man. And leave out the dough, the baked things.
Uh-huh.
And if you have to eat a little flesh one time for the week.
And eat it with some digestive elements.
Yes,
like
some live food, live vegetable, live, no cook.
no cook.
You call that live.
Ferment things like sauerkraut. You see me know it's ketchup. So now you said the colon cleanser is the first thing. Tell me how
Yeah,
you
the
take
colon
this.
cleanser, yeah, you take it when you're not on the road because it's a laxity.
How much you take?
All right. It mark on the bottle here, take 4 ounces. But 4 ounces would be for someone like me, where I weigh 130. 4 ounces is for
Step back a little, step
yes.
back a little.
4 ounces is for someone like me, 130.
Someone like me who can read, what is 4 ounces like? A teaspoon or a cock?
More than that. See 4 ounces here
Okay.
at the first rim. That's
Okay.
4 ounces.
4 ounces. I'll get a measuring cup.
Yeah. But you would take more than 4 ounces.
Eh?
You're going, yes.
So once me done the back of my colon cleanse,
Yes, and you feel better, you feel lively. You feel
and light,
alive.
grow wings.
Yeah, man, then just imagine you walk around with feces where you should have passed 2 years ago.
When me did cleanse one time up in the mountain, you know.
And,
But me still have it.
yeah, man.
Me still have the dead in me.
Yeah, man, especially mucus.
Mucus.
Mucus
So this is
is-
gonna. So how long it takes to clean out the mucus? How long does
All
it?
right, this is, well, this is 3 dose for you, for a big person, not for
Three
children.
dose,
3
okay.
dose. So
So I have to stay home 2 days.
No, man, you don't have to stay home, man. You don't go run your belly for the whole day. You go calm. When you get 3 good motion, 4 good motion,
You can't hit the road.
you can hit the road.
Okay. So do you drink it before? Do you drink it before breakfast?
Yes, you drink it before
Before food, and you should be eating light foods.
Yes. So what you
Don't
could,
eat the big heavy food while you're cleansing.
So if you plan to take it tonight,
Mm-hmm.
you would eat your last meal. Suppose you eat your last meal 5. Each meal take 4 hours to digest.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 and 4 would be 9. No more eating. You take it 9 o'clock. No more eating. No more drinking.
Mm-hmm.
If there should be a little drinking, a little warm ginger tea to make it react quick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And then you start get some good motion.
Mm-hmm. Give them your number.
So what you do now, so you're always going to skip. So you take it Tuesday, you're going to skip Wednesday night. And take it Thursday. So you always skip. You take it tonight. Yes, just skip.
Skip a day. So a really 3-day system.
Yes.
It's best to drink soup while you're doing this to
Best
kind
to
of
drink
keep it
soup or
easy.
porridge.
Chocha
Yes,
soup,
yes,
no salt, keep it light.
a little, keep it light. You know the tea.
Don't watch the stomach, you know. I chew me I work hard. I'm sit down all the time.
Yeah, man, but as you come out, that are the first thing, so you know. The first thing that
Mucus.
move some of them mucus.
Yes. We give thanks. Thank you. Healer. Call him on the healer.
yeah,
So this is the. So let me see the bottle, please. All right. So now we know, say, and your phone number is on it.
Mm-hmm.
Your phone number is on it,
The
right?
phone number, the one.
Tell him about that big one there now, that one.
This one is a tonic for the nerves.
That is the one to clear the veins and things?
No, different one. Me just pass it to the man.
Okay.
This one after when you cleanse,
Mm-hmm.
this is a energizer.
Which one is that?
This is the
Never
never tired.
tired.
Yes, never tired tonic.
Back up a little, because the Prime Minister was sitting too close to you.
Yes. Yes, this is a tonic, never tired. And you can do a little read up,
And see how it works.
show you how it all started
Mm-hmm.
in Trenchtown.
Mm-hmm. So where you from? Trenchtown?
And I spent 35 years there from a boy, you know.
Okay.
So it's all started in Trenchtown. And the people who supported from early was Bob Marlin, Peter Touch, Bonnie Wheelers, Toots Hibbert. And the man who named it Never Tired was Gregory Isaacs. We call him Toot.
Mm-hmm.
35 years ago he named this. Never Tired.
Mm-hmm.
And I tell
So
you,
come and never see it on the market yet. You hide from me.
I hide, me tell some is a hide, man. You know, want no man come
Take your thing.
take me things and want come hurt me, put on top of it. So me easy for satisfy. I go on one, sell you one, sell you one to rot it. Then if me I live off of nothing and know me I soon yet, then why should I worry about over money?
So I'm going to make it private for the members. Never tired.
Never tired.
True, man.
And I have another one they call him Energy Sip.
Yeah.
The world want that. That one, it is very healing. Remember you call me healer.
Healer.
This one is very healing.
Mm-hmm.
It is cleansing,
Mm-hmm.
nourishing,
Mm-hmm.
and is also a good food in fluid.
Yeah.
I have that one there.
So I'm going to go do an exchange with you. I'm going to give you the wisdom. And you have to go give me the power. So for your exchange, next time I come,
Yeah,
we
man.
bring in the wisdom for him.
Yeah.
Do you have a computer?
No,
Family? You have internet?
No, no.
All right, I'm going to set you up.
You know your daughter, I see your daughter go. Bring that in. The man has a daughter there with children. Where you see I go bring the man?
Some books.
Yeah. Because electronic books, you know, they're the books.
Yeah, man. I'll do some nice exchange because my need for bill. What I want to do is for I go buy your products and I go test it by myself. And you see when I come Supreme and start to push up with my handstand push up in the air, I go crown him the healer
Okay, so
of
you
the
have to
universe.
start with him as a client.
So me I go work with you.
Yeah.
And the people are going to see the transformation. Never tired. No, the never tired must be taken after the cleanse.
After the cleanse.
So people, we're going to start with this. Randy's going to start with this. And you have something if the woman them not happy with the man them in a bed?
I have something to clean the fallopian tube. We have enough women out they can get no children. And they come here from all over. They said, Doctor, charge them a whole heap of money.
Do you have anything for the fibroids?
Fibroids.
Fibroid busters?
Well, when it's old,
Yeah.
when it pass, yeah, some people have some old fibroids.
If a woman joint is hurting her, like no, she use her hands a lot, and there's nerve damage.
The slippery hem.
What you do there?
The slippery hem.
Slippery hem.
Yes.
Is it a herb, weed?
I'm going to show him. I'm coming again. I'm coming.
The healer. Seal it from the healer, dragon. Almighty up.
Always.
Never fear. This is Jamaica Good Life, best in the world. See it there. How did we make it this far? Because that is what the Almighty decided. Did we plan today?
Yes.
This is in one day we get so much love.
Yes.
We get the healing, we get the food, we get the vibration. See it there, people. We're in Mandeville.
Yes. And that's where I come from.
Where I come from?
Up at the high mountain.
Up at, the one there we up there, son?
Yes.
Wait the way I tell me, say, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
I come
sir.
from up at the high mountain.
Up at the high mountain. You mean the one way up there, sir?
Yes. Right up where I come from.
Where you say to me?
Yeah.
Up at Whitney.
With me, yeah.
Wow.
So we are right up with me off of the mountain top where I come from. And we were just along the plateau there.
We come from Whitney, from morning where I try to know.
Yes, second 2 days.
We catch a bird there, man.
Bar plate.
Bar plate.
Yeah. Right head pigeon.
Wow, the healer. The healer.
They have everything.
The healer. People, now what is this for, the healer?
That's the
Energy
healing.
sip.
That's the healing.
That's the heal.
Energy sip.
People,
Heal.
people who get operation, people who get broken bone, tear tissues, the slippery hem,
Slippery hem.
slippery hem.
So now,
And you see it? Is a white boy who get healing. Designed this label for me. He said he want to do something for me. So he designed that label, limber me up.
Yes, it bring him.
wow. So first you got to do this, clean the colon, right? And after you clean the colon, you can drink this every 2 weeks or every week we can get this from you.
Yeah, man, I can get that every week.
So every week we just keep never tired.
Never tired.
But it has of course everything is natural, no sugar,
No, sure, just a little honey.
just like a honey. Okay. And this one here is called Limber You Up. Is this for the nerves?
For the nerves. The food.
Total health.
Yeah, man, the food in fluid. Put back lube in the joints.
So me can take a little bit out before me start the cleanser?
Yes, that's why I bring the sample cup.
Good.
Yes, well, then I do.
Yeah, come on, the whole buckle, you know.
I know just stop.
You get that. You can order that, man.
You see me, I say?
People from
Come,
all over the
me
world.
like that one there, you
No,
know?
man, people from all over the world come feed, man. This man.
The energy sip.
And see that bill from here, this whisk here, this bark here.
And what's the name of this
For
bar?
the nerves, the slippery hem.
Slippery.
And
Elm.
E-L-M, slippery M.
Yes.
like cup.
So now if the lady, so, brother. So now if this is the lady food?
The food feature.
The
And
food.
you know, in my little read up again, them say even infant can partake of it to prevent suffering.
So you made
Look
this.
at it, don't try it out yet, wait. It will just draw out of that cup and go back in the bottle. So you have to know how you chew it.
Okay.
Take it down.
So okay.
Don't just little come with it little like that, yes. Come again, come man, no man. Come through
I
it full
see
the
what-
cup, man.
I see what you're saying.
Yes, if you are no, she will
It's
just
like a
zoop.
snake liquid.
Yeah, man. Short man, full the
Hold
cup.
on. Yes,
Ah.
sir. This is a first snake liquid me ever see.
Yeah, man.
This is a thing you like rubber.
And I want to examine how clean it is. It
Yes,
take me,
sir.
it
Remember
take
if
me
spray at the
hours
top,
to
you know?
strain through
I'm
cloth.
off spirit with Lysol, all that, everything at
You
the
know?
top. Alright, so this is it. This is the energy sip.
Made from the slippery
So if me feel real good tonight,
Yeah, man.
woman them are gonna love me.
Yeah, man. You're groovy,
Groovy.
sloopy.
Oh, come and see how it's slimy, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
And that means say like you want to have some okra in it.
No, man, that's surpass okra.
Surprise okra.
Yeah, man, surpass okra.
Bring down the bottle here, please.
Mm.
Bottle, Javal.
Man.
It's supreme.
Supreme.
It's supreme.
Some big boy come in and say, oh my God, this one is divine.
Yeah, this is supreme. Now you see these people? Yes, this is supreme.
It's supreme.
From members of Jamaica Good Life only. Sorry.
People, sick people who can't digest no food.
Mm-hmm.
Any disorder, any stomach disorder,
Yeah.
from Ulster, you name it. This one will get it
This
right.
will clean up the stomach, wall,
Yes, man. Healing, man.
Healing,
Total,
man.
man.
healer.
Very soothing and very healing.
Total, man.
Total.
Yeah, man.
So you have a lot of buckler.
Yes,
You
yes,
have a lot more of that buckler at home, right?
No, I can't have every day. I can't build as much. I
As
supply the jockey them. I just build for them alone. I myself.
what Jackie?
The jockey them we bend every day.
Like that.
So
they-
you don't have no more of this?
I can find my black water too.
So me can't buy that.
Yeah, man. Look at it. You see through the jockey them up here.
Mhm.
Yeah. In places around loom,
Yeah.
shoulder work,
Mhm.
minutely hourly. So this very much
Shoulder,
important for them.
elbows.
You don't put
wrist.
on any weight on the jockeys.
Mhm.
And you give them all the energy.
Mhm.
But the horse them are strong, you know.
Mhm.
Yes.
So the jockey have the skill.
Holding.
Hold
Me
him.
no want to give out your number to the world now, because I don't want them stress you.
No, me can't take no stress, all right?
Can't take no stress.
None of that, all right?
So certain people, special people call me,
Yeah.
we'll deal with it. Come, I don't want your stress. At 78, you don't really need the stress
No,
right now.
no stress right now.
Brother, you changed my life, brother. You changed my life. You changed my life, healer. Dragon, you're the best.
Yeah, man.
You changed my life, healer. Come and feel it already, I'm already feel strong. And I can kick off a boy here.
Yeah, man.
But no violence.
Just reason with people, man, and seeing people, you can feel them.
Yes, man.
Me I deal with some customers and they never see me, and then say, just talking to me, they feel better.
Yes. Because the man uplifting, you know.
Uplifting.
Yeah, man.
Let me show them what is the cause of them ailments.
Yes, man.
So if you try avoid what is the cause, so people will continue contribute something to the, oh, you will get help. So we reason with people, you can't prepare for the reason.
No, that I therapy, you know.
That's what the
The reasoning.
reason.
Clean up your mind then, and then you focus on she guys. When you say, I say, go.
Healer.
That's the right word. The man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So to be that man, you have to clean
Yes,
in your liberty.
yes,
In your heart.
Your heart have to clean,
yes,
your life have to clean,
yes,
and there for people.
yes.
Don't make true money, you don't help people who come with the pain.
You better rub out the pain and then the wealth will come.
And where you can see
Birds.
Birds.
The man well blessed.
yeah, man. The people foolish, man,
So-
so,
so-
the bird them green, and you still have
Mm.
to fight that. Oh, people, lost, man.
Backward.
People lost.
So how many children do you have?
You know, say 15 of them I get the last one about soon 5 you know. I spend the whole of my life picking
your
at me.
father. Your fatherhood.
And I just don't, you know,
I told you what
I take them from the mother for sometimes the mother them not ready for settle and ready for help the right way, you know. And you say, true, me no want to go down. Me always I take the children them and say, all right, come and go give some mama teaching.
You go on the new now, teach somebody.
Take them from town and bring them to the old place and mama help groom them.
Man, I'll pay you.
Bring them to church and,
No, you shall
you know.
No, you shall go with the man now.
And it tell you the 3 major things we cause those things. 3 major. First, they tell you about the chlorine in the water. What a wicked people.
Man, not gases, you know. Liquid gas, you know.
The second thing they tell you about the saturated fat.
Oh.
The sleeper.
Yes, you want a clog.
One with claws.
Cheese, butter,
Eggs.
all of them cholesterol.
No eggs.
Aye.
No eggs.
Aye.
Kill the meat
Yeah, man.
if
So,
you have to.
so that's why we have to work. On the archery.
And
That's
the
why.
third one now.
And the third one, let me say the third one again. I cheer them. Cheer them.
That is good.
But things will give you mucus. What a thing, man.
No, we give thanks for you because.
And we
give
don't
thanks
use
for you.
pipe water. We try to keep it
And which you
so
use
natural. We
mineral
don't get
water?
the spring water from
water.
Spice Grove. The water where I come from.
Spice, where you get that?
Spice Grove. Where you see
Spice
that?
Grove?
Yes, Spice Grove.
We can't get that for free?
Yeah, man, you can get that water there, man.
So you drive, is it far from here?
It's a good little journey.
What's that, an hour?
About an hour. 2 hours to go and come.
2, okay. And you just go to the spring?
Yeah, man, and you get those backland that's full of the back.
Or the water
The
bottle?
water backland.
And that's one of the purest spring around here?
Yes, man. No clue.
What's the name of it?
Spice Grove.
Spice Grove.
Yes, spice. A lot of pimento, a lot of spice up there.
Healer, I have to get your number, you know. Dragon, I deserve this, you know, because the Almighty up. So we not say we not deserve it.
Yeah.
Because what I'm going to give you, not only I'm going to give you up. Yes, people, this is Jamaica Good Life with Randy. This brother here wants to kind of be, he wants to be more private because he's getting older and he doesn't really want to be stressed out by the world much. He's a master healer, and not every healer we just give out the information, because some people you have to keep sacred. Jamaica Good Life, Randy's gonna go on this mission. It's been quite a journey to get here, and I'm with some of the greatest people. That man is 78 years old, one of the most advanced healers in Jamaica, but he likes to remain private, so this is long life and longevity. Love, take care. No. For no. For no. So what we're gonna do is this. In about I'm gonna take this one week. Then I go sip. While I'm taking it, I'm gonna sip the energy sip. Right? Every day 1 cup, one of that cup is a food. So you can't even make enough of it. You can't even keep up. That's why you don't want the stress.
You know that again, man. I don't want nobody send no money. You know what happened to me? That's them beg me. I send something to Canada, some medicine to Canada.
Yeah.
Somebody when me send medicine, put on him family. And they want to send me money. I tell them, say, no, me have people at home, I don't want them money. Wait until I give them the okay.
Yeah.
I don't fight about money. I don't want no money problem.
Exactly.
I don't want your money, man.
Exactly.
Hold the money till when I get the okay.
Yeah.
And you know it, you know what actually happens. Then you know the, and you know what I do? Me go feed it.
Yes.
And spend my money, spend my $19,000.
To ship it.
Yeah, to put it together and send it to them.
Yeah.
And when them get it, send me the money.
And I send them the tracking number. I make them see how much money me paid. I'm in a hustle. I not even charge you for my time.
No.
Which way I should charge you for my time?
And now hustle bedroom.
I'm not hungry.
That's a lady getting things. Him say, look here, man. I love your spirit. Don't say anything to nobody again, for they may not like me who just love straightforward and I feel you and I trust you. But I don't want to send nothing to people. People are so unfair. But you, at most time I want people comforted.
Yeah.
So that is a part of my life. I want you to be comforted.
So you want privacy?
I want privacy.
No stress, no phone call every day ask a question no stress.
No.
So then what we do? Do you have an assistant?
You know? Right now, my daughter-in-law, she take call
Yes.
this from foreign, that,
Yes,
that.
Yes.
As the purpose I can.
Yeah, you're the master. You're not supposed to be
I want
stressed.
to meditate on the medicine.
Of course, yes. Do what you do.
Yes.
Oh,
And then look out there.
Let them wait in a line.
Yeah, man, and them a send money from Friday. I don't have no time to go line or join line, man. Send it to one of the younger person, them, man. And them. I don't have no time for that.
Yeah.
That a bit.
You're humble, you're satisfied with life.
Yeah, man, I'm satisfied. All I want is health and strength, man. That's how I can perform what in me. When you have health, you can perform.
Yes,
That's it.
that's the key.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to keep you.
They want to taste the cayenne, you know, which is the bird pepper.